Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to share a TikTok video to your Instagram Reels. Now guys, this is actually very easy to do, so let's get started with the process. Now the first step to take is of course open your TikTok app, and after that you just have to select a video that you want to share to your Instagram Reels. Now for example, I'll be using one of my video here I have on my profile. Now if I click on that, I'm going to be showing. Alright, if I want to share this video to my Instagram Reels, all I have to do is to click on these three dots at the right hand side of my screen, and if I click on that, now right here I have the option to share this to Instagram. But if I share this to Instagram, it will only be posted in my Instagram feed. But if I have to share this to my Instagram Reels, I will have to save this video first. Now if you look at the bottom of my screen, I have a save video option. Now if you click on the save video, now this video is going to be saved to your gallery. Now I've already saved it. So after saving it to your gallery, you have to go to your Instagram app. Now once you go to your Instagram app, click on the plus icon at the top, and then select the Reels option at the bottom, and then you can now upload the video from your device. All right, now here's the video. So I'll just have to click on the add, and then it will be uploaded to my Instagram Reels. So guys, this is how to share TikTok videos to your Instagram Reels. I hope this video was helpful. If you think it was, give this video a like, and of course subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.